Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make broccoli quiche. First, gather your ingredients, including a 9-inch pie crust, 2 cups of fresh broccoli florets, and a blend of cheeses. We'll focus on creating a delicious, savory filling that bakes up beautifully. This method ensures a perfect quiche every time, ideal for breakfast, brunch, or a light dinner. Get ready to impress your family and friends with this simple yet elegant dish. Preparing your ingredients properly is key to a successful quiche. Begin by steaming 2 cups of broccoli florets until they are tender crisp, then set them aside to cool slightly. In a large bowl, whisk together 4 large eggs with 1 1/2 cups of milk or heavy cream, adding a pinch of salt and pepper. Finally, grate 1 cup of your preferred cheese, such as cheddar or Gruyere, for optimal flavor distribution. Now it's time to assemble your quiche. First, evenly spread the steamed broccoli florets and grated cheese into your pre-made 9-inch pie crust. Next, carefully pour the whisked egg and milk mixture over the broccoli and cheese, ensuring everything is well covered. Bake your quiche in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 45 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and the center is set. Once your delicious broccoli quiche is out of the oven, let it cool for about 10 minutes before slicing. This resting period helps the filling set, making for cleaner, more beautiful slices. Serve your warm quiche with a simple side salad for a complete and satisfying meal. It's perfect for any occasion, from a casual breakfast to an elegant brunch. And hey, while you're enjoying your meal, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.